Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our chrome inside door handles for the 68 to 77 Broncos and the 68 to 72 cars and trucks. Interior door handles are high wear items that often suffer from daily use, leading to wear and tear. As a result, the chrome plating on them may be worn or pitted. Our door handles are an exact reproduction of the Ford originals. The handle itself is chrome plated for durability and to brighten your interior. The mounting bracket is zinc plated to protect it from oxidation and rust. These handles are made from high quality materials and are a perfect replacement for your original handles. We carry both the left and the right sides, each sold separately. So if your inner door handles are damaged or worn, you can give your ride an instant facelift by installing a new set of door handles from Dennis Carpenter. And as always, you can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X.